Got a 2014 Range Rover in the other day. The spoiler came apart and scratched the quarter panel up on the car. And it is a recall, we found out, but there's no spoilers available at this time, probably due to the pandemic, I'm sure. But anyway, this is the procedure we did. We got an 80 grit belt file tool, some 602 EZ surface modifier, and some 152 adhesive, urethane, two component. And we went around the edges here with the 80 grit belt file tool and made sure that all of the problems were taken care of before we put our surface modifier on. And now we're going to put our 152 on, purge our cartridge, of course. We'll come around and put a nice little bead around this thing. And get this spoiler back together here. There's actually 3 pieces to it. And I'm going to finish it off on the back side here. This product does have a 24-hour cure time, and we need to make sure that that's at an ambient temperature of 70 degrees to make sure that we can put it back on the car. Thank you for watching Automotive Alchemy. Please subscribe.